Hi girls! We're putting new straw in. We had a bad snowstorm, so everybody's getting new straw. We don't usually get snowstorms here that cause too much trouble. What's the matter, girls? Hi, Fritzy! Hi, Fritzy! And this is our new snowplow. Actually, it came with the skid steer, and that's the first time we've ever put it on. To give it a try out, see if it'll plow snow. Looks like it's plowing snow. Cool.